Hi everyone!
Hi chicken!
Hi vlog!
Hi chicken!
Trying the halo. Here's the menu. They have coffee, iced coffee, usa. And then
available yung halo-halo, ma?
It's treat of the day.
so guys, they also have an accommodation here. Ito yung mga prices nila if you're interested. Our orders are here. This is pork? Yes. And then fried chicken, and then hamburger. Ito yung nakita ko sa Facebook. Masarap daw. So I'm gonna try it today. They have this halo-halo. So we're gonna try the burger. Ano to pronounce? Alio. Yan na lang. Pare kung
pula malikuan, mapula madidi.
What did you say about the food?
Overall, it's okay.
Rasa.
Okay. How about you, Dad?
It's good.
Baby Wancho!
May nangyarap kapan swimming?
Wala.
Go! Happy family!
Ayan, so we're trying the suman latigo. Can you try it? Yep.
No.
Speechless. Speechless. Yummy?
It's good.
Hey guys!
Hi. Welcome to Balay ni Romana.
Right now we're here. We are in, say, Balay ni Romana. Okay. Guys, welcome to Balay ni Romana. So, Balay ni Romana is already here in Santa Rita, Samar. It's already a different island. It's in Samar Island, but it's very close to Tacloban City. Look, it's wet. Ayan. So, ayan. I'm giving you guys a tour. I think meron pa... Ayan, oh, meron pa dito. At ito yung main building. Ayan, dito kayo mag-order. Ayan. So, ito yung kitchen nila. Pasta burger. Coffee. Oh, yeah. Dito kayo mag-order. Dito pwede din kayong tumambay. Ito yung parang main house. So, it's basically a house na ginawa nilang parang cafe. Meron pa dito. Yeah, look. Oh. Hi. Chicken. So, ito yung balay ni Romana. Ayan. So, we're here trying out this new place. There's a blackout in Tacloban City. Unfortunately, lagi na lang. Ay, nako. Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life, longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. Wow! I believe ito yung mga owners. Birdie, birdie. Welcome to the vlog.